Good evening, Whitman family. This is Dr. Herring, your principal of Walt Whitman Middle School, and welcome to the 2020 Back to School Night. I'm going to give you a quick tour of the building and some of the highlights, and since I'm the only one in the building, I'm going to take this mask off. We're really excited to have you here. I know it's not the start that everyone was expecting, but we did have a very successful virtual opening over the last 2 weeks, where teachers got a chance to create wonderful and long-lasting relationships with students, and we're excited for the rest of the year. So come on, let's go take a tour of the building. So I'm standing here in the G hallway, down in the 7th grade portion of the building. Down this hallway, Miss Tahey has her classroom, Mr. Wu, Miss Martin Broderick, and Miss Stewart Worlds. And we're really excited about all the work of our custodians. They did a fantastic job cleaning the building this summer, and it's all ready to go for when we're ready to come back into the building for learning. We can't wait for that to happen. Now, if you come with me, I'm going to show you a really special part of Whitman, our outside garden. Welcome to one of the many courtyards here at Whitman Middle School. One of the unique things about Whitman is we are a community school. In fact, the first community school in Fairfax County. What does it mean to be a community school? It means that we have great partnerships with the United Way of the National Capital Region, United Community, which is an umbrella organization along the Richmond Highway, and Acadia Farms. Acadia Farms and a grant from Lowe's has allowed us to create this wonderful garden that is tended to by students. And let me tell you, students, right now we really need this garden to be tended by you so that we can continue, as we have in the past, have a great harvest. So let's show you around the garden a little bit. Hey, come on, let's go upstairs and check out the 8th grade hallway. Come with me. So we're upstairs in the 8th grade hallway. 8th graders, I know you're disappointed that you weren't able to get up here this year right from the start of school, but hang in there. We're gonna be back before you know it, and you'll be able to be up here with all your new teachers and enjoying your last year here at Whitman. Let's go down to the lecture hall. I hear something's going on down there. Welcome to the Whitman Lecture Hall. It's not how it's usually set up, but we've been really busy in here. Thanks to our cafeteria workers and office workers, we've been able to bag up over 500 packages of food for our families and community. On September 23rd, we're going to have class and course material pickup, and at the same time, we're going to be able to give this food out to families that would like to take something home. Along with that, we've been bagging up lots of school supplies that we have had donated to us from multiple organizations, including Alfred Street Baptist Church, as well as Century 21 of Alexandria. We want to thank our sponsors and thank them for all that they do for us and continue to do for us every day. And let's just go to one more place today, and then you can enjoy the rest of your back to school night. So that concludes our quick tour of Whitman Middle School this evening. I can't wait till I can welcome all of you here in person, and hopefully that'll be real soon. Please enjoy the rest of your back to school night. And until then, let's keep learning, Whitman. Whitman strong.